जैसे ही शॉट पूरा होता है आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है, ये हो गया यार, वो देख गर्मी कितनी है, ये देख ये हो गया, तो यही चलता है बस।
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती।
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता ही
झूठ
नहीं।
मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को।
हाँ 16 साल लगे because the first one that I ever wanted to make was a love story. Unfortunately, nobody wanted to produce it. So me and Sheetal, we had to wait for 16 years to come up with this one. Yeah.
अभी कुछ लगता ही नहीं है। अभी इतना काम कर लिया साथ में, ऐसे कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि सेट पे किसी को स्टार के साथ काम कर रहा है।
औरों में कहाँ दम था कि मेरे साथ इतनी फिल्में कर लेते।
रियल लाइफ में जैसे ही शॉट पूरा होता है आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है, ये हो गया यार, वो देख गर्मी कितनी है, ये देख ये हो गया, तो यही चलता है बस।
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती।
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता ही
झूठ
नहीं।
मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को।
मतलब तुझे पता होता है सबके बारे में।
Right from the days I was working with Bhatt Saab from Zakham days, where I had the privilege of working with Ajay ji. So, media used to ask me, why are you doing only for Bhatt Saab in Hindi? So, I used to correct them. So, please change your question. Why are they giving me why only Bhatt Saab is giving me chances? So, after the interview was done, every time I used to ask myself a question. औरों में कहाँ दम था? तो आंसर मिल गया. In form of Neeraj Pandey. So it's working with Neeraj ji is like staying at home, because the place where I work here and the Mumbai itself become a home away from home. Thank you, Neeraj ji, for believing in me constantly. And this film has been a very great journey for the past 2 years, and we enjoyed every moment of it. I hope you will enjoy the film too. Thank you.
Neeraj narrated me the script. It really touched me, it really moved me. And then, you know what sealed it was when Neeraj immediately narrated me this, made me hear the song.
One song was recorded when we had met.
And it was just apt, and everything fell into place.
I think for me, growing up, my father's favorite actor has always been Tabu ma'am, and he's told me this time and again since they worked in Astitva together. So I think her choreograph and her journey is so inspiring, and Ajay sir's versatility is so inspiring for any young actor. And I think these two.
Tabu ma'am, obviously her performances and her versatility as well. And with Ajay sir, I think sir ki choice of picking up stories and coming up with something new, and his dialogue delivery, obviously, which you said. So I think that, something else. Yeah, it's something else.
औरों में
It
कहाँ दम
hits, it hits different, yeah.
I honestly don't remember. You remember? No, you don't remember.
I think it was the song. I think we were shooting in राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, खुदरे मुँह.
I remember the song, but I don't know if that was the first day.
Yeah, actually even I don't.
But had you met, I mean, before making that film?
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
friends
we've
much
known each
before
other
that.
since much before that.
But what I've got and what I cherish the most, I think, is the love and respect and appreciation that I've got from everybody all around the country, from all around the world. I think there is nothing that can equal that, and it's genuine love. The journey is ongoing. It'll be a part of my life as long as I live, I think so. Yeah.
उम्र बढ़ने के साथ जो फीलिंग्स है वो और चाहे किसी भी किस्म की फीलिंग्स हो वो और गहराई में जाती हैं. You start thinking deeper, you start feeling deeper, negative, positive, whichever way. तो आप काफ़ी चीज़ें एनालाइज करते हो जो आप एक उम्र तक नहीं करते हो. एक उम्र तक वो एक बचपना होता है जो जब चला जाता है तो जो एक्चुअल फीलिंग्स है वो आपको नजर आनी शुरू होती है या समझनी शुरू होती है.
आई थिंक सिनेमा का जहाँ तक सवाल है ये बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन आई थिंक फिल्म मेकर्स का भी रहा है. इस फिल्म में आई शुड गिव द क्रेडिट टू नीरज फॉर एनविजनिंग दिस लव स्टोरी विद मी एंड अजय. और आई थिंक हमारी लाइक यू सेड सोसाइटी बदलती है तो हमारा सिनेमा बदलता है, हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट बदलता है. So I think it's nice. So yeah, society changes almost everything around you. I think आजकल वो सब labels चले गए हैं ना कि romance is only for the young. Like he said, the depth of feelings and the way you look at love and romance changes with age, and I think there is space for all of that. आज सिनेमा में हर चीज़ के लिए जगह है. बट ऑफ कोर्स ये सारी चीज़ें कोइंसाइड होंगी तो ही ऐसी फिल्में बनती हैं. स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, विजन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और फिर ऑडियंस का टेस्ट.
But it's the same as in 1824 or 1724 or 1624. The feelings have always been the same. It's just that how much more you express and how much you can and you can't. So the feelings don't change. I think the whole process since humanity has been the same. The feelings have always been the same.
If we see it as if we underline it that romance only belongs to the young or to a certain age group, then it changes, the whole definition changes and the way you look at it changes. Whereas, like I said, I don't think there is any barrier when you talk about romance and love and relationships. Actually, it's more relationship than love and romance, I feel. And human relationships are the most interesting thing that have lent themselves for cinema. And and love and attraction is a part of that human relationship. I think that's the most beautiful thing to explore, I think, for a filmmaker also, because there is no end to, where you can take that relationship. So, yeah.
When Neeraj narrated me this story, I'll be very honest. I told him I love the script, I love the story, it touches you so much. I don't know commercially what is going to happen. He says, don't worry, leave it on me. And I said, okay. But otherwise...
He also said that why are we not making a spy film?
So...
And I told him that will come later.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so वो जो आप बोल रही हैं वो कई बार हल्का सा डाउट आता है दिमाग में, बट मोर देन दैट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कुछ अलग अलग करते रहें. और मैंने कोशिश ये शुरू से की है कि करूं. आई मीन जब कोई नहीं करता था तब मैंने तक्षक की या रेनकोट की या दिल क्या करे. आई थिंक दैट केप्ट मी गोइंग. उससे उन चीज़ों से जो मैं सीखा हूँ, आई थिंक वो सब आज काम आती है. मुझे तो आज भी लगता है मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ. मैं जब यहाँ आ रहा था तो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ. आप क्या पूछ लेंगे पता नहीं. तो आई थिंक वो एक्चुअली रहना अच्छी चीज़ होती है कि अगर आप सोचते हैं कि मैं हर चीज़ के लिए तैयार हूँ तो फिर वक्त आपको ऐसी चीज़ सामने ला के दे देता है कि जिसके लिए आप कभी तैयार नहीं हो.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.